Hello, good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. And so today, what we are going to do, we are going to enumerate the networking information, okay, on the Linux system. So when you gain the access of a target system, which is Linux, so now what you need to do that you need to enumerating them some networking informations. Okay, so how are you going to do that? So I will show you the demonstrations here. Okay, I will demonstrate every single thing, and I will also explain if there is anything happened or if there is any questions that you wanted to ask or anything. Okay, so the first task is that we need to identify our target IP address. Okay, so how to do this one? So okay, so for this one, we got the Ethernet 1 and this is the net. So what we will do that we will copy this one. Okay, so in our previous video we have detected that and the VSFTPD is running on the system, so that is vulnerable, and there is a backdoor execution by the Metasploit module. So now what is our main task is that I need to open this Metasploit console. Okay, so once we open it, okay, so then we will load the appropriate exploit module by running the command. Okay, so before that we need to set our global host IP address. Okay, so now we can type that VSFTPD. So now what you have to do that you have to copy our exploit module. Okay, and then we can paste it here, and yes, then we can run exploit. Okay, so we have gained the commercial session with the root privileges on the target system. So let's go for the bin bash. Okay, so now we can also obtain the metadata session on the target system by upgrading our commercial session. So now what you have to do that we have to upgrade our commercial sessions by putting it to the background. Okay, so this one, so we can say sessions upgrading and 1. Okay, so let's take a list of this one. Okay, so we got the session 2 here. Okay, so now we have gained access to our target system and have obtained a metadata session. Okay, so we can begin enumerating the networking information from the target system. So the first piece of information that we can enumerate is the list of network interfaces connected to the target system. So how to do that one? So for that one we need to type ifconfig. Okay, so in here you can see this information. Okay, the network information. The target system has the one physical interface, okay, which is this one, Ethernet 0. Okay, and it also has a loopback interface, which is this one, and this is for the local connection, and also a virtual interface. Okay, so this is your virtual interface. Okay, so now what we can do that we can get a list of open ports on the target system by typing nstat, okay, netstat. So with this netstat, you can see the TCP and UP addresses that open, the ports and everything is open. Okay, so in here you can see that this is our IP address and this is our Kali Linux IP address. So we have established the VSFTPD. Okay, so this is a very good information. Okay, so now another important information that we need to obtain, which is the routing table. So how to get the routing table option? By typing the route. Okay, so this one is going to give you an idea of all the routes available and will also display the default gateway address. Okay, so this is our default gateway address. So this information can also be gathered manually by spawning a shell session and running the following commands. Okay, so let's put this on a background as well. Okay, so how to do this one? See. So you can get this list of network interfaces which is connected to the target system. We can also enumerate the list of configured networks and their subnets by typing okay, so we can see that we can enumerate the list of locally mapped domains and the respected IP addresses, okay, and everything. So now what we can do that we can also get the host name. Okay, so how to get the host name? So this one, if we follow this process and type this etc/hostname, then you will see there is a hostname is attackdefense.com. okay, and everything is over there. Okay, so in order to identify the default DNS name server address and everything, so for that one we can type resolve. Okay, so you can see this all this information, the name server, the DNS server address and everything. Okay, so that is how you will explore the process of enumerating the network information from a target system running Linux. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Okay, so if you have anything to know, if you have any comments or any suggestions, okay, you can give your comments over there. If you believe that this channel is providing you enough information, you want something more, then also you can subscribe it, and you can also ask in the comment section. I will definitely try to help you. Okay, thank you for today.